YouTube video creation with just artificial intelligence. That's right. Forget spending hours coming up with ideas, scripting, and editing the video. AI is here to help you create awesome content faster and easier. So, buckle up because we're about to explore 10 incredible AI tools that will transform your YouTube game. Number 1. InVideo. This bad boy is like a one-stop shop for AI video creation. Just feed it a concept and it'll whip up a script, find stock footage, and even generate whole video in a minute. Number 2. Synthesia. Ever dreamt of having your own talking avatar host your videos? Synthesia makes that a reality. You can create realistic AI-powered people to deliver your message in any language. Imagine the possibilities. Number 3. Ideogram. This powerhouse AI can generate stunning and unique images based on your descriptions. Stuck on a thumbnail idea? Ideogram will brainstorm a bunch of eye-catching visuals to get you inspired. Number 4. Murf. We all know a good voiceover can make or break a video. Murf uses AI to transform text into realistic-sounding voices. No more expensive voice actors needed. Number 5. Opus Clip. This AI tool helps you repurpose your existing content into fresh, short videos perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Number 6. Jasper. Feeling a little writer's blocked? Jasper can help you craft compelling video scripts and even YouTube video titles that will grab viewers' attention. Number 7. RunwayML. Runway is an AI playground where you can experiment with all sorts of cool video effects. Want to make it look like you're floating on the moon? Runway can help you achieve that sci-fi dream. Number 8. Descript. This AI-powered editing software lets you edit your videos by transcribing the audio. Imagine making edits by simply changing the words spoken. Descript is a game changer for YouTubers who hate the traditional editing timeline. Number 9. Vidiq. This AI tool focuses on content optimization, analyzing your videos to suggest improvements for better engagement and reach. Also, this tool gives ideas to make videos, can write script, and generate voiceover as well. Number 10. Wisecut. It is a great tool for making talking head videos, like YouTube tutorials. It cuts out pauses, adds cool jump cuts, and lowers background music when you're talking. Wow, that's a lot of amazing AI tools, right? The best part, many of these have free plans to get you started. So why not experiment and see how AI can take your YouTube channel to the next level? If you want to know about other artificial intelligence tools, then watch this video.